Well, what started off as a nice little day hike has turned into this. And what this is not good. I got off the trail a couple miles back, and I can't seem to get my bearings and figure out where the fuck I'm going. So I just kind of picked a direction, and I'm trying to maintain a steady course. One wrong step and I'm down there, and that's not where I want to be. So I'm gonna keep on walking in the same direction. It looks like I found some footprints. Maybe this will lead me back to the trail. God, I hope so, man. Oh man, this is dangerous right here. One wrong step, and it's off the fucking side of the mountain I go. Again, I just took a little tumble, but I'm alright. I've come to this solid wall right here. I gotta try to figure out some way I can get up it, because I think that the shelter is about a half mile on the other side here. You can see just straight up and down. I mean, that's pretty rugged terrain here. I mean, it's pretty bad. Keena's not having quite as much trouble as me. And in fact, she kind of seems like she's enjoying herself. Crazy little devil. Keena, get back here. Keena. Come on. Keena. Hey, come. Keena. Come on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Alright. Oh, great. Now, I've gotten kind of turned around. And, crap. Can't see anything out here because it's so freaking dark. Oh, crap. Oh gosh. Now I'm back down here at the bottom. Oh, crap. Oh, man. I'm okay. I'm alright, though. I'm good. I'm good. Just a couple broken ribs. Oh, shit. A bruised collarbone, it feels like. And maybe a sprained wrist. But other than that, I'm good. I'm bleeding out my mouth, so I might have punctured a lung. But it's okay. I got you. Alright. Back up the hill. The mountain. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, now I'm going down the other side. Oh, boy. Oh, this blood tastes horrible. Oh, gosh.